In this series, I'm searching for my best drone shot, but I need your help to find it. In episode 1, I took you to a beautiful spot on the Treasure Coast of Florida called River Park. I spotlighted 3 drone shots and had you vote. The one that won was this shot here, Birds Over the River. In episode 2, we visited Jensen Beach, Florida, and I spotlighted 3 more shots of the Jensen Beach Causeway, and this shot won your vote. And in this episode, I'm taking you to the east coast of Florida to a place near Tampa called Treasure Island. We fly the drone over a beautiful place called John's Pass, and we visit the famous St. Pete Beach and get some drone shots there too. So last night, I spent the night at my mom's condo, got to see her. It was nice, very nice. You know, it's holidays. And this morning I woke up to a beautiful view. It's a beautiful place here. I think it's going to be I think it's going to be a great spot to film, help me get my best drone shot. But I woke up, it's a little bit cool. So I'm going to put a sweater on. So if you don't know how this works, what I need you to do is I'm going to spotlight in this video 3 different drone shots. What I need you to do is vote for your favorite one. Help me find my best drone shot. On the last episode, I had so many people made comments. I forget how many comments, but it was like almost 170 or something. But not a lot of people voted, which is okay. If you don't want to vote, you don't have to. But if you do vote, it does help. Check this out. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I'm just hanging out with Seagull. How's it going, Seagull? I think I scared Seagull. Anyway, I'm here at the new location. I figured I'd give you more than one location to choose from. So I moved over from the condos and now I'm at the beach. I can't get over about this beach. Check out how wide this beach is. That is the biggest difference between where I live over on the Treasure Coast and here is on the Treasure Coast, the beaches aren't as wide. They're nice, they're beautiful, but they're not as wide as here. So I'm gonna put the drone up and let me see what kind of beach shots I can get from here. I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna give you one shot from the beach. I don't know, maybe we'll have more than 3 shots to choose from in this video. I don't know. What do you guys think? All right, let's get busy. those are the shots. Vote for your favorite one in the comments. I think it was prettier over there by my mom's condo, by the condo. But the beach is nice too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Scott, and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video.